Two of my favorite keyboards are Gboard and SwiftKey. But what about you? Which one should you pick is what we'll cover in this video. So let's dive into it. When you examine both, you'll find an additional row in Gboard that suggests words as you type. However, the row is also for stickers, GIFs, clipboard and other things. Those icons can be rearranged. SwiftKey has two rows, one for suggestions and other for similar quick options. You can hide the top row. When both rows are open, SwiftKey takes more room, which I don't like. You can also rearrange those icons in SwiftKey. In terms of themes, I favor SwiftKey. The keyboard has over 200 themes that take it to the next level. You can also add your own image and create a custom theme. Gboard also lets you create your own theme by picking one of the built-in images or colors, or by adding your photo. It also has this dynamic theme option that changes the keyboard colors based on the device's wallpaper. Let's go to flow typing. Flow typing is when we type by sliding the finger. To check their accuracy, I did a small test by typing a few sentences. Both keyboards did an amazing job. All the words I wanted to type were on the screen. So this round is a tie. On this note, SwiftKey has an additional feature for flow typing. You can type some letters as usual and then complete the word with the flow typing. If you try the same in Gboard, it will write a new word based on the new slide pattern. Then I did an autocorrection test in English by making a few mistakes. SwiftKey was flawless. It didn't have any issues. Gboard was fine too, but it made one tiny mistake. I made an error with the word possible and it fixed it, but it didn't add the space after the period key, so I had to enable the uppercase keyboard myself. This is a minor issue and it doesn't happen often, but it is something I thought you should know. Let's talk about the dictionary. Both learn and suggest words as you type. You can delete the dictionary at any time. Both also have text shortcut dictionaries. You can ask both to suggest big words or even sentences when you type in the shortcut. For example, typing address will suggest my home address. Before we go, let's cover some additional features. Both keyboards support incognito mode and both activated in the browser's private mode. However, SwiftKey lets you enable it at any time, whereas Gboard does not have a separate option. SwiftKey is also more flexible in the keyboard height, whereas Gboard only has set heights. One of the great things about SwiftKey is that it can sync your clipboard from your phone to your PC. You must enable it on both devices, but it saves time. The keyboard also records your typing stats. This long-running feature records your efficiency, taps and followed words. You can also see your typing heat map. Lastly, SwiftKey lets you create new tasks in Microsoft To Do. The app also has a View Tasks option that goes to the Microsoft To Do app. Gboard, on the other hand, has a universal search that searches through emojis, GIFs and stickers all together. SwiftKey has a single category search. Both keyboards support over 500 languages. SwiftKey supports over 700, whereas Gboard supports over 500. Both let you enable multiple languages at the same time. So which one is for you? Well, I don't see many differences. Both keyboards are fine in flow typing and autocorrection. Both also predict words great. If you like to change themes often, go with SwiftKey. The app also has phone to PC sync, typing stats and To Do integrated. Gboard is a good keyboard app that does what it's designed to do. If you just want a keyboard to get things done, go with Gboard. With that said, this is it. Thanks for watching.